Alright guys, I'm installing the Mishimoto shift knob. Here it is. This is the black. I weighed it already. It weighs 370 grams. I'm going to take off the stock shift knob with the 14 wrench. So we're going to turn it. We're going to get it in, hold the shift knob, and we're going to turn the wrench. When you're looking straight down, we're going to turn the wrench clockwise to loosen it. I'll be back after. Okay, just crack it loose. Then I'm going to spin it. Okay, it's loose. We're going to spin this counterclockwise to remove it. Oh, there it goes. So I'm going to weigh this after. It's pretty heavy also. This seems a little heavier than the stock knob. Okay, so we're going to see which attachment will fit. Okay, so the one that fits is the one that came with the knob. So we're going to do that amount of tightness for now. Get it on here. It's in neutral right now. Sits pretty high actually. So we're going to get the M just like that, pretty straight. Then we'll tighten the nut back. Sorry about that. Spin it back to tighten it. And I'm going to use the wrench to tighten the nut. There we go. It's nice. Feels good actually. It's a nice grip on it compared to the original. First, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, of course, reverse. Seems to snap back pretty good. It sits a whole bunch taller. This is compared to the OEM. The OEM sits around right here when it's threaded in. So it's about 1.5 inches or 2 inches taller. But it feels really nice. Can't wait to drive it. Thanks for watching.